Hello guys, welcome back to this week's Tech Bite. Hope you're doing well. Let's get started. Realme sells for 1.3 lakh Realme Narzo 20 series phones in its first sale. It is an performance-oriented phone with gaming processors and a high-speed charging technology. Microsoft Translator adds ASSAMESE to its list of real-time translations for Indian languages, increasing the number of Indian languages it supports up to 12 languages. Facebook is merging its Messenger service with Instagram's direct message feature. This change will allow users on Instagram to send chats to people on Facebook Messenger. Are you excited for this feature? Let's see. Twitter appeared to be experiencing issues Thursday morning when the whole Twitter service went down for 30 to 40 minutes, and no official reason is given by the firm yet. Amazon on Friday announced in a post that 19,800 of its frontline workers have tested positive for COVID-19, but the company still claims its positive case rate was 42% lower than it would expect based on rates in general public. Apple sues GEEP Canada for reselling 1 lakh Apple devices which were sent for recycling. Apple actually sent those devices for recycling, but the company resold them. Paytm launches its own Android mini app store to take on Google Play Store. Over 300 app-based services such as Ola, Netmeds, Domino's have already joined Paytm. Is this the answer for Paytm? Because it was banned past week by Google. So this was this week's wrap, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. And I'm bringing a bigger tech video, 7 minutes video coming up next, tutorial which will enhance your laptop's or PC's desktop beauty.